Hello, my name is Deepal and today's Viva topic is difference between multitasking and multi-programming. So firstly we discuss about the multitasking. So multitasking is the logical extension of multi-programming. In this system, the CPU execute multiple jobs by switching among the typically using a small time quantum. Uh, so, um and these switches occurs to a frequently that the user can interact the each program while it's running. So multitasking is a further classified into two categories. So first one is a single user, second one is a multi-user. Secondly, we discuss about the second point is a multiprocessing. So the multiprocessing is the system that has two or more than two processors. So in this multiprocessing, CPUs are added. CPUs are added, increasing the computing speed of the system. So because of a multiprocessing, there are many processes that are executed immediately simultaneously. So multiprocessing is the further classified into two categories. So first one is a symmetric multiprocessing, second one is asymmetric processing. So these are the information about the multiprocessing. So we define multiprocessing and multitasking difference. So first is multitasking is the execution of the execution of the more than one task simultaneously is known as a multitasking. And the multiprocessing, the availability of the more than one processor per system that can execute a several set of instructions. And instruction is a parallel is known as a multiprocessing. So second point is the number of a CPU is one in a multitasking. And the in multiprocessing, the number of CPU is more than one. In a multitasking, we takes moderate amount of time. And in multiprocessing, it takes the time for a job processing. So takes less time for a job processing. In multitasking, in this multitasking, one by one job is being executed at a time. And in a multiprocessing, more than one processor can be executed at the time. So multitasking is a economical, and multiprocessing is a less economical. In a multitasking, we the number of a user more than one. And in a multiprocessing, the number of user can one or more than one. uh, in a multitasking, throughput is a moderate. And the in a multiprocessing, throughput is a maximum. So these are the information about the difference between multitasking and a multi-programming. Thank you so much.